Oh man, so Phantom is up another 3% today. This is phenomenal, guys, despite again Bitcoin being sideways. Bitcoin is really starting to struggle. Either people don't know which direction they want to go in right now, but just looking at the Bitcoin chart here, which we have to the left-hand side of the screen, you can see that we are just struggling. We had this downward trend, which we've been monitoring. We seem to have somewhat of a low conviction breakout to the upside, but then it's just been sideways, guys. Remember, when we had this breakout, I said in order for it to be validated, we need to get above this previous high here at about 48.5, and then we've got some important levels, right? We've got this important neckline level, which we lost on the M pattern to the downside. We need to recover back above this 49.5 level. Then we have the psychological resistance at 50. Then more importantly, we have the 52,000 level, which we got sharply rejected by. But every single challenge we set for Bitcoin to the upside, it keeps struggling to hit them. And the latest one of that is just, again, this 47,850 mark, which we know is a very difficult level here. And Bitcoin is again struggling it. We're right at the point of control here. This is where the large amount of volume is traded on the 4-hourly chart on the VR. And we can see this is an important level for us to break through. If we break to the downside, we can see significant lower levels here, even down to 43.5 here, and further down you've got your next level support coming in at 41,600ish. To the upside, like I said, if we can break to the upside here from 47,850, we've got to get above this neckline here at 49.5, which we lost from the M pattern, and then get back to this 52 level and this time clear through it before we can start to really get going with our move here on Bitcoin. Because at the moment we're quite a far way down. I mean, if we clear some of these indicators off, you can see we're quite a far way off. We've got all these levels to fight at here. This is characterized by a bunch of action we've had previously in the past around these levels, as we saw by the VPVR. But once we get through this level, you can see just like the gap we had on the breakdown, we could pump equally as quick back up to this green box. And this green box is where the fun is going to happen. Are we going to be able to clear it? We went past it this time, we got shunned right back down. Are we able to get through this and hold above it and create new highs? That's what we're waiting for on Bitcoin. That's the long story short. But what impact has this had on Phantom? Because Phantom has had a 3% day today, again, bouncing off a critical level, which I'm going to share with you. I'm going to share with you exactly where we're at and where I think we can head to. So stay tuned till the very end. Make sure you've hit the like button and you've subscribed. Let's pull up the Phantom chart, because this is really impressive, guys. You guys always know that I've said, the best coins are the ones that can move. When Bitcoin moves a little bit, they move multiple of the times, right? But if Bitcoin's flat or marginally up or marginally down, if you've got altcoins which are moving, this is a very interesting sign, because it just makes you wonder, if Phantom is having a 3% up day today and Bitcoin's flat, what happens when Bitcoin has a 3% day? What happens when Bitcoin has a 5% day or 10% day? That should give you the inclination of where some of these layer one solutions really can start moving. It also gives you an indication of how the market has really started to wake up to the layer one solution, so much so that they don't even need the conviction of Bitcoin to start moving for them to start loading the boat. And you can see they're loading the boat right now by the price action. So here, let's see what we can see on Phantom. And as you can see, guys, really importantly, we spoke yesterday while I was on the beach. I said, look, guys, this was a very important level. We're going to come down. We could easily get a retest back down at 237 after breaking it. We got exactly that, guys. This is TA at its finest right here, right? This is textbook stuff. We created this high from the inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? So let's walk through this together, guys. I think it's educational. Inverse head and shoulders pattern, fake out to the downside, bulls recover, right? Now we knew we had a very important thing to do. At this point when we were here, I said we need to break above 237, but more importantly, we need to create high above this head from the head and shoulders pattern. We did that. Fantastic. Now we get rejected by the Fibonacci level. So if I zoom out, you can see that the top line, so we're in between two Fibonacci levels, okay? The first one is categorized by 2.53 and the other one by 2.61. We're now channeled in between those two. Now the beautiful thing is, if I go back to where we were, you can see that the 2.63 line at the top just sent us back down, and that gave us our retest at 237, which perfectly ties in with the head from the head and shoulders pattern as well. Now we got the beautiful bounce to the upside, and now the critical moment here for Phantom, guys, the critical thing we have to see next is we have to break this previous high. To keep this uptrend going, we've got our higher highs so far, okay, and we've got our higher lows. Now we need to post another higher high, guys. Simple as that. We need to see this next higher high come in, and for that to happen, we need to break this Fibonacci level, or at least get perfectly to the Fibonacci level. Because if we zoom in, we can see, let's get a nice accurate reading here. the high from this candle is 2.6. Okay, so this one wicked to 2.6, so we need to get above 2.6, 2.61, 2.62 in order to create a higher high and continue this beautiful upward trend here we're seeing on FANTOM. But that's not good guys, because look at this beautiful confluence we have seen on this 4-hourly ribbon. And you guys know I use this ribbon quite a lot, and I said look how beautiful this pattern has been. We rose to the upside, we came back down, didn't even need to test our EMA ribbon, went again, came back down, tested our EMA, bounced again, this time tested it all the way to the bottom, guys. Look how beautiful that bounce was here. Okay, beautiful, right at the bottom of EMA ribbon. Again, tested it. This time had a good move to the upside, and now look at what we've just seen here, guys. This is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. We came down, we had a retracement to the downside, we had the EMA bounce exactly on the 2.37 horizontal support level, and this is what I mean by confidence, guys. When you can have multiple patterns, multiple indicators giving you the same story. In this case, I had the EMA ribbon and the 2.37 mark telling us we're likely to get a retest here, guys, because, you know, we're quite extended from my EMA ribbon. Perfectly healthy if we get a retrace back down, right? Equally, we've just broke through the 237 mark. We should really get a retest at the 237 mark, and we got that. And now we've had three strong 4-hourly candles break into the upside. Want to see a little bit of movement more? We need to get above 2.6. And therefore we've created a higher high versus here, and we can continue to the upside. Remember, my golden pocket Fibonacci ratio sits at the price target. Let me get that for you. So of 5.067. Okay, so this is what we're looking at here on FANTOM. And now, in order to get there, it's not going to be a straight path, right? This is the longer term target here at the 1.618 level, but you can see where we're at right now, and we need to first get through 2.6 at our 0.65 level, then we can work on 2.9, which is the next target I want to get into in the short term, and then we can head towards $4 and more. Now, naturally, for us to get some of those higher price targets, we need Bitcoin to get a move on. Bit worrying that Bitcoin is going sideways right now. We have to monitor that because, again, if Bitcoin starts to have negative days, negative 2%, negative 3%, negative 4%, if it starts going down to 42, 41, like I've suggested could possibly happen if we don't get a move on, then we will see some of our favorite altcoins suffer. So definitely something for us to keep a close eye on. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this gave you a good insight into what we're seeing on FANTOM. And again, I cannot stress enough this narrative of layer 1 solutions. We covered this in the video not yesterday but the day before. Why are the layer 1 solutions moving when Bitcoin is not moving, right? This is very uncharacteristic of the market. Normally if Bitcoin is flat, you can even see a little bit of a pullback on some of our altcoins, down 2%, down 3%, down 4%, and we're seeing that in some other altcoins, right? But we're not seeing that in our layer 1 solutions. We're seeing our layer 1 solutions really start to move. Even today, Ethereum up 1.76%. Luna up another percent, Avalanche up 2.57%, guys, and you can see this is, you know, a trend right now. Cosmos up another 8%, which we should cover really on this channel as well. We made a video the other day on Cosmos. Hope you guys have watched it. Make sure if you're watching my FANTOM video, guys, go check out the Cosmos video as well. You won't want to miss that. I know you guys are here for the FANTOM content, but check out the Cosmos content as well. Again, FANTOM we've covered is up 18% over the last 7 days, guys. Phenomenal move given Bitcoin has just been struggling to the side in sideways patterns, right? So we can see that is the trend we're seeing right now on the layer 1 solutions. Definitely something for us to stay focused on going into Q1 and Q2, but don't forget about the layer 2 solutions. I'll continue to remind you guys in these videos of layer 2 solutions and layer 1 solutions, because Q1 and Q2, that is going to be the narrative that all of the institutional and sophisticated retail money is going after. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget you can support this channel by clicking the join button. If you click a join button, you'll become a member of this channel, guys, and that way, that's your way of supporting me to help me bring you these videos. But also you'll get access to the community thread where you can ask me questions one-on-one on your favorite cryptos, your coins, your portfolio, anything else which is on your mind. So feel free to head over into there and click the join button. Also, you've got the Discord server. Link will be in the pinned comment below. Head into the Discord server, meet like-minded people, talk about your favorite coins, guys. Over 350 people, I believe, in that Discord server already. Very fast-growing community of smart, sophisticated investors. And that's what we want here, guys. We don't want any pump boys, no FANTOM to the moon, no Cosmos Atom to the moon, or any of the coins, no Shilio coins, just talking about good stuff, tagging me in any questions you have, voting on what coins you want covering on this channel. So feel free to head into there, guys. Doesn't cost you a single penny. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.